Welcome to the Parker Diesel offloading filter skid video. In this video, we will have a look at the custody transfer of diesel fuel from a tanker truck into the bulk storage tank, as well as how fuel is dispensed from storage into vehicles. During this process, we will understand how particulate dirt and emulsified water is removed from the fuel when received, and also before it reaches the vehicle's tank. Offloading operation. During a typical tanker truck offloading scenario, bulk fuel is pumped into a large fuel storage tank via a Parker Diesel filter skid. The fuel is pumped into the pre-filter vessel, which primarily removes large solid contaminants through the process of pulling fuel through micronic filter elements. After the pre-filter, fuel passes through the filter water separator vessel, which comprises of two-stage filters, coalescer and separator elements. These filter the finer solid contaminants out of the fuel and coalesce water into droplets. The water collects at the bottom of the vessel and is drained out periodically.
PremiumBeat.com.
Once the fuel has been pumped through the filtration process, it is essential that it passes through a flow meter to obtain an accurate reading of how much clean diesel is received into the storage tank. The customer then pays the supplier based on the correct volume of fuel as represented by the flow meter. Dispensing or refueling operation. In a similar manner as the offloading operation, during refueling, clean fuel is pumped from the storage tanks and dispensed either into smaller vehicles via a curbside pump retrofitted with Parker filtration, or into a large capacity mining vehicles via the Parker filtration skid. All fuel received, stored and dispensed is measured and reconciled using a fuel management system. Over time, poor quality fuel will cause unnecessary wear to internal combustion engine parts, in particular injectors and pistons. This negatively affects the performance and longevity of the vehicles. It is therefore essential to always ensure fuel is of the highest quality. The function of the diesel offloading filter skid is to perform custody transfer of diesel arriving on site from rail or road tankers into bulk storage tanks. This means cleaning the received fuel of contaminants such as dirt, water, etc., and measuring the volume of clean diesel being received by the client. This translates to value added per liter of fuel. Inlet strainer. The inline strainer is designed for the efficient removal of large solid materials from flowing liquids and gases, and thereby protects the pump from damage. Pump set. Positive displacement pumps are ideal for handling everything from the non-lubricating solvents to highly viscous liquids or abrasive slurries. Ductile iron construction with bolt-on internal relief valve provides additional pressure relief features. The unique sliding vane pump design self-adjusts for wear to maintain customer-specific flow rates. Expansion joints. Expansion joints are necessary in piping systems which convey high-temperature substances such as steam or exhaust gases. It also helps cater for misalignment of piping due to thermal expansion. Bulk air eliminator. An air eliminator is designed to extract free or accumulated volumes of air or vapor from a liquid dispensing system to achieve accurate measurement results. This prevents the flow meter located downstream from measuring air which is entrenched in the fluid being measured. Pre-filter. The pre-filter vessel comprises of Parker Valcon's DFO series micronic filter elements. These elements filter solid contaminants out of the product. Filter water separator. The filter water separator vessels are two-stage filters comprising of coalescer and separator elements. First stage, coalescer cartridges. These cartridges have two functions. They filter smaller solid contaminants out of the product and coalesce water into droplets. Any water present in the diesel is usually emulsified into tiny particles by the action of the pumps handling the product. Second stage, separator cartridges. The function of the second stage cartridges is to repel coalesced water droplets that have not yet settled, so that they are prevented from going downstream with the product. Flow meter. The TCS 700 series flow meter has a simple and efficient meter design consisting of housing and 3 rotors that rotate in unison within the measuring chamber. The absence of wear from no metal to metal contact inside the chamber eliminates any deterioration in accuracy and provides a long service life. Banlaw Fuel Management System. A fuel management system is a combination of hardware and software products that, together, enable security, access, and control of fuel stores whilst monitoring delivery and consumption. Banlaw Fuel Management Systems are for companies that need increased accuracy, accountability, security, or productivity from their fluid assets. It is normal for our fuel management customers to achieve fluid reconciliation rates in excess of 99.5%. Banlaw Fuel Track allows for the precise monitoring, reconciliation, and centralized reporting of any machine or vehicle's fuel or liquid use. It is a powerful, money-saving management tool for business, especially the mining and transport sector. Despite the harsh ambient conditions experienced in mining environments, we have consistently been able to deliver fuel at the nozzle that meets and often exceeds OEM requirements. The fast fueling system enables mining production equipment, haul trucks and excavators to be refueled safely and spill-free at over 1,000 liters per minute.